Tagum City in Ford, getting the truck serviced. Oh, good. I'll take a picture. Oh, where's my truck? Oh, up there. Oh, it's out there. Oh, okay, okay. Just got the car serviced. Cost 8,250 peso for its first service, 10,000 Ks, and yeah, while I'm here, I might as well look around Tagum and do some shopping. An old friend of mine taught me you always get the petrol from the big petrol stations here in the Philippines because it's just safer and better for your car. This is sea oil. They're pretty well, you see them all over the Philippines. I've had no problems with them. This is Robinson's Mall. It's so rainy today. Oh, the driver's on the phone. Hope he doesn't crash with those kids in the back. Oh, I've been looking for these wraps everywhere. These are my favorite. Chocolate snack section. There we go. I guess I like cheesers. I'm not sure. Oh, cheese rings. Oh, how much is it? $2.81.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Oh, so, I'm gonna try that. Made in Philippines. Okay.
Are you a vlogger, sir?
Oh, I have a small channel. Oh,
what is your channel?
you gotta be careful because some of this is skin lightening soap. That's not good. Where's the normal stuff? Okay, that's all the shopping done. I'm gonna get out of here. This restaurant's called Shakey's. The mushroom soup with a club sandwich. It's pretty good. On the menu it says it's been around for a long time, but I've never seen it. Thumbs up to Shakey's.